This is Jesse Vaverka, the producer and director of Passfire. I'm out here today in Pahrump, Nevada with my friends at Area 51 Fireworks, but I want to take a quick moment to tell you about the upcoming Danang International Fireworks Competition that's starting this weekend. In 2013, we covered the DIFC for our film Passfire, and we saw some incredible fireworks over a 2-day period. I'm excited to announce that this year, the competition has been expanded to 5 days and will include 11 shows from competitors coming from all around the world. And if you're in Vietnam, you should be sure not to miss it. This is Jesse Vaverka from Passfire.